Reports are an integral part of the stored app, which allow you to quickly and reliably report data from storages, LAN, and SAN switches. The main advantage of reports is the ability to compile, centralize, and unify data from all connected supported devices and platforms in one place, such as databases in which data is long-term available and accessible from one console. Reports contain two basic parts, one for ad hoc reporting, which is called historical reports, and the other, which is called reporter, for generating and defining regular reports. Historical reports are used as a source for further analysis of a problem to create ad hoc reports, especially following a critical event. We can create ad hoc reports for only one device or platform at a time. We can pick from specifically connected storages as well as SAN and LAN switches. We will choose the IBM SVC platform for our demo. Select the time range for the data we want to report. The chosen chart size affects the quantity of detail that will eventually appear in the chart. The larger the graph, the more detailed the data we can get. The content of the data affects the metrics we choose during selection. We can choose I/O, data, response time, and cache for a particular technology. The available metrics vary depending upon the selected technology. The detail and scope of the data can additionally be modified by more detailed metrics choices in the bottom view, dependent on the selected technology. Once setting all the parameters and metrics, we can go to the actual data generation by clicking on the Generate Report button. The report can be viewed either on screen or downloaded as a PDF file. The reporter is used to generate and define periodic reports, which can also be run on a one-off basis outside the proposed definitions if necessary. The reporter differs from historical reports, firstly, in its use of differing situations, and secondly, in defining a report. Preparing the definition in the reporter begins by selecting the metric, from which individual devices or platforms are added. Now let's create a new definition. When creating a new definition, the fundamental choice is the format for the output itself, which will affect the capabilities and structure of the data. For example, the capacity report for all connected devices is only available in CSV format. We'll set up the devices or platforms that are related to the report after setting up the necessary metrics, especially the recipient settings and time planning mode. We'll use an IBM SVC device for this demo. The prepared definition can be saved or saved and run immediately as necessary. The definition's home page provides an overview of scheduled reports which can be edited, cloned, deleted, or run directly as needed. The report is generated after being manually run and available by the link or in the History section. The Groups section allows you to define recipient groups, which are then available as an option in the report definition. The Options section provides the ability to set up a delimiter for the CSV format. The History section contains an historical overview of all generated scheduled or manually run reports. They can be downloaded from here again in the appropriate format in which the report was generated. Reports are a useful component in several situations, whether they are routine tasks where regular reporting is required, or critical situations where the associated infrastructure has failed and reports are needed, or assisting in planning development, or analyzing resource usage and consumption for a specific period. The solution is not dependent on any other data service provider, and it is fully integrated into STOR.com. Do you want to try both tools? Try them out with our demo. Do you need more information from our experts? Arrange a consultation via WebEx.